Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, my weight loss and body care. Today I'm going to be making stew. Is that okay? Family stew, and also for my weight loss. So I'm going to be needing some tomatoes, some bell peppers, okay? And I'm also going to be needing onion, 3 onions. I want mush onions too, and shrimp. I will use these shrimps and the eggs, and also I'm going to be using spinach, spinach leaf already cut and sliced. And also I also have some meat and fish already washed. Is that okay? And also I have my goat meat already boiling inside the pot. Maybe I will just show you guys. So this is the goat meat, okay? Goat meat take time to cook before any other meat. So before I add the other meat, I want the goat meat to boil a little before I will add the other one, so that they will just boil and done together. Is that okay? Thank you. So let's come this way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wash all these vegetables, slice them, and just put them in my blender and blend them, not too smooth, okay? If you like, you make your own smooth, but me, I don't like too much like it to be smooth. So I'm going to just blend these tomato, wash them and blend them. Is that okay? So just give me some minutes and some seconds while I do that. So I already just wash them, slice them, and you see that's the bell peppers, the onions, and the tomatoes. So I'm just going to put everything in there and blend them all. I'll just blend them, okay? I don't think I'll put this blending part, but I'll just blend everything. Is that okay? Thank you. So I already blend it. I'm just going to turn it inside. Is that okay? Those are the bell peppers, because I have to blend them separately because the blender is too little. So that's it. So this is it, okay? I'll just proceed to the next part. Yeah, my meat is already cooked. So we're going to heat the pot and just turn my olive oil. You see it? We turn it right away to the pot. The pot is already hot. All I have to do, olive oil is good for weight loss too, you understand? So just add. You see, not too much too, but I'm gonna add just a little to it. Good, I'm good. So we're gonna let it bleach a little bit. Then after that, we're gonna take the next step. And now our oil is already hot. So what we have to do, you see my tomato and all the vegetables, let it go in. Just go in, you see? So I'm gonna leave it, let it boil, as in all the water from the tomato, bell pepper, onion, they're gonna dry. So now you see it's thick now and it's dried up. You see it? You see? So this is what I want, just a little bit thick, and let the water go down. So here we go. So what we're going to add next, we're going to be adding our fish. So I will start getting done. The fish is not cooked yet, so I just like it like that. So everything, all the water from the fish will go down to the stew. Okay, if you like, you can steam your fish, it's good, but for me, I always like doing mine like this, so that the fish water will just go straight down to the stew. And also I'm going to be adding my shrimp. You see it? Let all of them go in there. I'm turning it now because the fish is still solid. So later, if I'm going to turn it, I'm going to be gentle so that the fish won't break. Is that okay? So let everything go in. we can start adding our salt. Add your little salt to it. Add your curry, a little. I also like this, what is it called, this crushed red pepper. It has its own flavor too. Okay, just add a little to your own desire, and black pepper has its own flavor too, so I'm adding black pepper to it a little, so that all this flavor will go into the fish and the shrimp. You understand what I'm trying to do? So, and a little thyme, just a little. I already have thyme in the meat, don't forget that. I already steam my meat with thyme, so you have to. And one more thing, which is my mangi. So I would just, you see it, I would just add a little. There you go, according to your desire though. I don't know how you like it, and according to your desire. So all you have to do, you have to stir again, and when you finish stirring, just let it cook again, so that the fish will cook properly and the shrimp too will cook properly. So that is it. When the fish has finished cooking, you don't have to stir too much, because now the fish can break at that time. So what I do, I just stir everything I want to stir. I stir it now, so that when the fish is cooked, I will not bother stirring too much. So here you go. We're going to leave it for a while, so that the fish and the shrimp will be cooked. You see it? There you go. This is the fish. So now we're going to be adding our, you see it, vegetable spinach leaf, the frozen one. So we're going to be putting them inside. I'll just put this one. It's okay. It's what is it called? It's frozen, but it will defroze. So I'm going to put this one all in. Don't forget, it doesn't take so much time for this spinach leaf to cook. I just give it like 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and it's a go. Be careful with your meat. Wash out for your fish. I mean your fish, not meat. So this one will go down. It will go down. We already have our pepper, don't forget that. And one last thing, you're gonna put your, you see it, let it go down, let it go down, let it go down. So I'm gonna be stirring this. I'm gonna be stirring it. Don't forget, be careful with your fish. I always say that, so that your fish won't break. They are all down. So what I do, you see it, I bring it up. I take them up. So that is what I'm going to do, and finish turning and stirring it properly. Okay, I will show you guys the finishing touch. Stay tuned. So here we go. You see it, very beautiful. I make sure the fish didn't break. You understand? What you do, you can also take the fish out before you put your leaf and your meat, okay? But I know how I turn my stew that the fish won't break. And also don't forget egg, because that is what I will eat. My fish, my egg, and my shrimp. The meat is for my family members. So that is it. Here you go. Here you go. So this is it. You see it? That is it. I'll show you. I'll put it like that. That's it. You can just bury them so that all the water will also go into. Hope you like my vegetable soup. If you want me to dig it out for you, I can do. I shift the fish a little bit, so I'll dig it out for you. You see it? You see it? That is it. I have my fish, my shrimp, my egg, my meat, and fish too. Be careful so that you won't dig out the. You see it? This is how you do it. So I'm gonna be making my rice. Not rice, sorry. I just leave this. Let this one be. But at least you like it. I'll just leave it in the fire so that it will just be warming up and at the same time cool it down. So I will reduce it to low and let it just be there. Let all the medemenders be bubbling and waiting for my tummy. You see it? Have a good look. So quick, I'm gonna be making my not rice. I'm not going to use rice. Even if I'm going to use rice, I will use the wheat rice, but I'm not going to do that. So I'll just you see my fish, you see them still intact, all still intact. You see all my fish, you see them. So that's it. So I'll just leave this one and let it be boiling while I prepare to make this one. You see it is wheat spaghetti. So I'm going to be making this for this vegetable. And other of my family members, they say they're going to use rice or yam. You can use rice, you can use yam, you can still use unripe plantain. There are so many things you can use for this. You can use it to eat your wheat rice. You can use it to eat unripe plantain. You can use it to eat wheat bread for those who are on weight loss. Okay, you can use it to eat Irish potato, all those, even yam. Even if you want to eat your yam, take 1 piece or 2 pieces and more of this vegetable stew. Is that okay? So that will be good for you guys. Stay tuned. Let me make my spaghetti. Thank you so much. So this is my spaghetti rice. I have to cook excess, the full pack. That is what I cook so that I can dish it inside my refrigerator and microwave it and eat it anytime I want. So this is it. So this is my finishing touch of the vegetable stew. You see it? Can you see it? So I'm going to be eating meat, but just one. That is it. You see, just one piece of meat. Then fish and egg and my shrimp. So let me take you over to this spaghetti. You see the amount of the spaghetti I'm going to eat. And also I'm spicing it up with my avocado because I'm a lover of avocado. Also good in weight loss too. So I'm going to be doing justice to it right in your present. Hope you guys love it. Try us out. Comment your outcome of your own food. Vegetable soup, stew. Okay. Also comment your own, make your own and comment it too. And also please don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel. My weight loss and body care. Also my prayer channel is also called SOFM TV, SOFM TV. So let's go down with the food. So I'm going to be using 1 bottle of water to top it. Not cold water, just ordinary water. I don't too much take cold water because of, so I won't go and conjure the fat in my body. So I like taking just normal water and warm water. So let's go down with the food. Here we go. Here we go. So we're gonna eat the food. Let's go there. I'm already excited. Just watch me eat my food. Make yours enjoy me too, okay? You see it? So yummy and tasty. Let me show you guys. You see it? You see the vegetable? You see the spaghetti rice? Oh boy, this is what's up. Thumbs up for myself. Hey, yummy. Wow. I don't know I can cook. Oh. I can cook. Look at it. You see it? You see the onion? Hope you guys have seen me or doing justice to it. Oh my goodness. I like pepper. Is that okay? Oh my goodness. So yummy. I'm not joking. I have not eaten since morning. I only drank my concoction. So this is my food for the day. And the time now is just 4 minutes past 5. 4 past 5. So this is now I'm eating my today food. Till tomorrow again. Pardon me. Sorry. Now the way the food they do me. Oh my goodness. Look at it. You see it? I'll show you guys. That's the water. You can use this vegetable stew to eat anything eatable. You can use it. You can even eat it like that. Look at it. Look at it. You see, this is the only one piece meat I would eat for that day. So you see. Subscribe, give thumbs up and share this video. It's so yummy. Try your own. I'm watching you guys. Try it and burn all those fats. I look young again. You see me? Let me show you guys. You see? No, you see me? No fat again. I'm still burning it, but not as fat I was before. It's too much. So all this food that I'm eating help me to trim down my fat and all those things, concoction I'm drinking too. But especially the food. If you take care of your food, your fat is gone. You understand? It's just the food, excess of carbohydrate and all that causes um, causes fats. But with this wheat, vegetable, all those things, you will see everything will go quick quick. Oh my goodness. Please try your own so I won't miss out, okay? My goodness, oh my goodness. I'm loving it, oh sorry. You see it? You see it? Oh my. I don't even want the fish anymore. But I will eat them all. But the vegetable soup, stew, anyone call them, is okay. You can even use it to eat swallow, like elubo, that is plantain and pound. You can also use it to eat what is it called, oatmeal pound. You know oatmeal, blend it, mix it up with the fire. You can use it to eat it. Anything eatable. I told you before. I'm sweating. It's okay. That's the work. You're doing. I love that doing. You see, even without makeup, I'm sweating. I still look beautiful. I beg you, clear road. Sorry. Why? Because of all this good food I'm eating. You see, no makeup. I'm sweating. But I still look clean. Go and try your own out, okay? Everything is just melting in my mouth. The avocado, the fish, the shrimp, the leaf, the tomatoes, the bell pepper, the onion, everything. Let me all go down. Like, Maybe I go throw away this spoon. Oh. No verse. Let's go down. Look at it. Yummy. Yummy in my tummy. Look at it. It's too sweet though. Ah. I'm not here to form. Come up before me. I'm not here form. I dey do am real. Leave for me. Eat your food. Sorry, you see the work. Immediately they get your result. Follow my channel and subscribe if you have not. Quick. You will buy there because it's full of vegetables. It's full of vegetables. Look at them. Look at it. So it's yummy. The onions is crunchy. Sorry. Back home in Africa, we do this. This is the last one. I love it. I cook it so many. Anyway, you guys saw it. So I'm going to dish them inside my fridge. Anytime I want straight, I just go there and eat. And lastly, my meat. So that it go be like say I chop many meat. I ate so much meat. So that's it. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Keep supporting me. Subscribe, thumbs up, comment, and share. Also on my prayer line too, SOFM TV, SOFM TV. Go and subscribe too. We do it physically and we practice spiritually together in God's love. Bye bye. I love you.